Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you write a research paper with ChatGPT correctly. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So over here, make sure you ask ChatGPT to provide you an outline, or you can also provide an outline and send it to ChatGPT like that. And once you're done with this, you should go ahead and like that and provide your title and provide the abstract as well. So like that. So when you are done with this, you just want to go ahead and send it to ChatGPT what title you want. Okay, so once done with an outline, you can then uh, send to ChatGPT that you want to provide the content. So for example, like that. So you want to go ahead and provide an abstract. So as you can see, it is now typing you. And you can go ahead and do it with other outlines here, as you can see that ChatGPT gave you. Or you can also input your own outline here like that. So I'll show you an example. So okay, as you can see, it is writing my methodology that I've just provided. And once you're done with here, you just have to go ahead and put it on Quillbot. So you should paraphrase it. So you just copy and paste this here. So for example, you want this one and copy and paste it here, and then proceed by paraphrasing it so that you won't get detected for AI content or plagiarism. And once that is done, you should go ahead and check it on GPT-0 so that you can check if it is detected for AI content or not. So okay guys, those are basically the ways on how you can simply write a research paper for ChatGPT. So thank you for watching guys and goodbye.